Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So, guys, if you take a look at this prediction on gold, we are now getting this bearish move. All of a sudden, the market just pushes up. Personally, I don't think I will be expecting another drop. Reason why I say that is that take a look at this movement. This is the lower lows, and here comes the lower highs. This is the lower lows. Here comes the lower highs. Here is the lower lows. Then markets give us, this is lower lows. Give us a lower highs here. Give us kind of came down here before it pushes up. So with what I'm saying, gold we should be dropping again. That is exactly what I'm saying. But we should keep our bias flexible. Reason is that if in case gold pushes up and take out this highs, if gold pushes up and take out this ice, as you can see here, this ice that I've highlighted here that I'm pointing out, if gold eventually breaks above it, then we are likely to see it continue to move to the upside. But as long as gold does not do that, as long as gold does not break above this, we are likely to continue that fall. So, like I said, our bias should be very, very flexible. So be careful. If in case gold breaks above this, then we are going to change our bias to the upside. But if not, then our bias to the downside will still remain valid. So watch out for that movement for this week on gold.